trust issues. Oh, we got it.
Hi guys, welcome back to SSBeauty. I hope you guys are doing well. Today we are going to do something really fun. Anuj मुझे हमेशा बोलते रहता है कि I take ages to look beautiful and do my makeup and get ready. But today we are going to do something fun. Actually today he is going to do my makeup.
I'm up for the challenge. Pressure नहीं है. I got it, and I just have to make you look pretty.
I need that subtle glam. We don't want anything crazy. I need that pink nude eyes, flush of blush, that freshness, and something like this.
Okay, I think we should get started. There are so many things I have to do, so let's get started.
Okay, let's get started, guys.
Okay, so first up, foundation. It's foundation first, right?
Hold on. I mean, what about the prepping part? Like cream, moisturizer लगाना होता है makeup से पहले.
Yeah, I mean, I thought कि we can directly go to the super fun part and skip anything in between.
But prepping is like the key to make your skin look effortless. I told you, right? No makeup जैसे मैं हमेशा करती हूँ, like.
Just came out more. I was applying less only actually.
Oh, you're not forgetting the neck. I'm impressed.
I told you I'm full. One here.
Don't finish that entire foundation on my face. I don't want that cakey look.
Okay, now we have to,
blend is the word.
We have to blend it. That's what I was coming to. Subtle strokes. That's the technique of a pro. Not everybody knows it. Wow. I mean, just wow. Okay. I think. Okay, one second. Oh, I missed it.
मुझे पता था. You'll just leave half of my face.
Okay, I'm done, and I think I did a pretty good job. What do you think?
So, what do you think about my foundation, guys? I'm gonna check that after the video.
Now let's go with the stroke cream. So you will get that little glow.
Oh my god, I'm impressed. You know about stroke cream. How come?
The secret part is not too much. Less is good. Go a little on the cheekbones. Now let's go with the eyeshadow. You know what I'm thinking? I am thinking of warm brown shade that makes your eyes pop. What do you think?
Are you not following the reference? मैं तुम्हें reference दिखाया था ना. I told you it's like pink nude.
Oh yeah, my bad. Creative people. The pink nude will look equally great.
Yeah.
Let's go with the pink nude
That's the one.
Let's go with it.
Wow. How's it looking?
Amazing. So a little shimmer to make the eyes pop. I'll be very gentle. I know how much to apply.
Yeah, very subtle,
Very
एकदम glittery मत बना लेना.
How to take that little off edge things? Just a little off edge. No, it's perfect. It's perfect. Sometimes
you can use this brush.
Okay.
See, I'm helping you here.
Okay. Okay, so eyes are almost done. The only thing I think is missing is the mascara. You have to literally take the extra bit off.
Baby, okay. Are you sure? I can look pretty without this also.
Let me get into the zen mode right now. Concentration.
How will you apply it? इतना ज़्यादा perfection की ज़रूरत नहीं है.
How I can be so good at everything.
Okay, I'm done with this.
Okay, so now let's get some blush on, a little rosy glow.
Wait, I can barely see it. You can go overboard with this.
Okay.
Trust me.
How about now?
Yes. You have to blend it and make me look very subtle.
Let's go with the next part. Lip shade and lip gloss. For lip shade, we'll go with the nude pink, just like the reference.
Exactly. Like a tint. What is that technique?
Okay, done with the pink nude lip shade. Yeah. Now let's gloss it up for that a little soft.
You're looking very proud about this lip.
Something which I thought that nude pink only kind of shade, and this looks so good. It will just gloss up.
Yeah, the juicy lips. I love it. Oh my god, I'm so excited.
Now you can see yourself.
Okay, here you go.
Okay. I'm all ready for all the kisses and the compliments that I'm gonna get.
Okay, let's do this. 1, 2, 3. Oh my god.
Her expression says it all.
I didn't expect this to be so good. Actually, I'm impressed, guys. This is like 90% close.
Please, it's more than
It
1000%
just
correct.
needs like a little perfection, but it is almost close to what I wear. Oh my god, thank you. This looks so good and flawless. I need to complete the look. Don't
Okay.
worry, you haven't missed anything, but I think a good fragrance always completes me. And for that, I have my favorite Guess Bella Vita Rosa. I absolutely love this fragrance. It smells amazing, divine. Yeah, it
Loved it.
absolutely goes with the Valentine's vibe, and I'm going to take it with me for our date, and whenever I feel like, I'm going to spray it all over. So, since you have worked so hard and made me look so fabulous, I have something special for you.
What is it?
Here it is. Happy Valentine's Day.
Thank you so much. That's so nice of you. Actually, a matter of fact, I myself got something for you too.
Oh my god.
I think we both deserve something special today.
Thank you so much for this. Oh my god, I'm super excited to unbox this.
Okay, before we go ahead, these boxes are SSBeauty limited edition gifts of love box. I mean, they have some seriously amazing products inside.
Okay, so for the boys we have Calvin Klein Deo Spray, Clinique Face Wash for Men, The Body Shop Shampoo, Shea, Kama Ayurveda Body Moisturizer, Clarins Double Serum 9, Carolina Herrera Cobalt.
And for ladies, it's packed with beauty essentials. The first one is Carolina Herrera Good Girl Blush EDP. And the second one is the Body Shop Shower Gel Strawberry. And then we have Clarins Double Serum. And then we have Anastasia Beverly Hills Blush Stick. And finally, we have MAC Lipstick in the shade Mehr. And some surprise goodies, I think extra for the lady, is that beautiful keychain from Joyology Beauty. It is so super cute, so beautiful.
So cute. So baby, what is your favorite things from this box?
I'm very inclined towards skincare and smelling great. For me, Clinique face wash definitely stands on the top of the list, and definitely Carolina Herrera.
And my favorite is Clarins Double Serum 9. Thank you for gifting me.
I love you, baby.
You have one for yourself also. You
Yes.
can look youthful with this serum. And the next one is, of course, thank you for gifting me this. I mean, I've been eyeing on this perfume, and look at the bottle. It's super cute. Even after I finish this, I'm gonna keep the bottle. It's so stunning. Thank you. So guys, this is the offer you really don't want to miss.
So these luxury boxes are priced at 14,000 rupees. For her, the actual price of the products are 22,000.
And for his, it's 20,000. That's luxury at steel.
And these are limited edition boxes. So if you want to get your hands on these, now is the time, and don't wait.
Because you don't want to miss out this.
Definitely. Go grab yours now. Happy Valentine's Day.